Oh, dreamy Ube ice cream meringue roulade. Oh my, what an Arctic delight! Here, watch this. Ay caramba! What's this? What's this? I knew you'd show up, Coconetta. A kitchen full of sweetness and sunshine. Oh, I simply must stay. Big Val there is toasting the coconut that goes into our Ube ice cream. Dad, burn it! I have leg invasions with more legroom than this. Oh, relax. If we survive this mission, I'm filing a complaint with whoever designed this tin can. You're taking up all the room. If you kick this shit one more time, I will personally demonstrate gravity using you. Then we use the pan for the meringue that rolls everything up nice and tidy. Whip the egg whites with the cream of tartar and a pinch of salt. Look at those bubbles. Zoinks! It's like sea foam on a windy day. We used the yolks last night when we made the custard base for the ice cream. I'll show you that in a little bit. All right, magic fruit. Impress me. Do something ominous. Anything. Fantastic. We stole a mood light. Now we make the clouds. Fluffy, floaty clouds. Add the sugar slowly, steady as a gentle breeze. We want tall, glossy peaks standing proud, not flipping-flopping. A little bit of vanilla folded in gently. No roughhousing now. Treat it like a delicate little cloud. Spread it smooth and even like smoothing sand on the shore before a nap. Perfection! Bake until just lightly golden, kissed by the sun, not scorched. Oofa! Nobody likes a grumpy meringue. But, oops, stop it! Watch it, you cotton-picking hazard! Oh, please, you're hogging all the oxygen and the attitude. We use the peach as a bait. We lure them with this. They want the magic. We give it a signal it can't ignore. Make sure to put your bowl in the freezer a day ahead of time. And our recipe works in a Ninja ice cream maker too. Oh, note to self. Chill the bowl first before folding it in. But no problem. We'll just pop it back in the freezer while the meringue cools completely. The easiest way to make ice cream is to make the custard base the night before. Heat the heavy cream, milk, and coconut cream. I can almost hear the ocean in that pot. Not too hot now. Just nice and cozy. Now whisk the egg yolks and sugar until they turn pale and silky like soft sand under your toes. Whee! How lovely. Great! Because right now, the only thing we're attracting is discomfort and poor decisions. Stop that! Okay, it did something. I'm not crazy. No, you are. But that's what's new. Slowly pour in the warm cream. Steady now. We don't want any funny business turning those into scrambled eggs. Crikey, that would be a disaster. And now the Ube. Look at that color. Gadzooks! It's like a purple sunset dancing in a bowl. And vanilla and a pinch of salt. Just a little sparkle of flavor. Because anything out there chasing power, flavor, whatever this thing is, will come to us. In goes the mascarpone. Oh, fancy, fancy, fancy. This is getting richer than a treasure chest. Now we let it chill. Patience, patience. Good things take times, chick. Oh, I mean, friends. Oh. Fine. We stay. We observe. We let the universe make the first mistake. Now comes the fun part. Flip it. Whoop-de-doo. Turn it onto a fresh parchment and peel away the paper. Oh, look how soft and lovely it is. Now spread the Ube ice cream. Soft and spreadable, not frozen like a rock, mind you. About 1/2 inch thick. Not too much, not too little. And leave a little border so it doesn't go sliding off. Heavens to Betsy, we don't want a runaway swirl. And now we roll. It's like a seashell, like a tropical dream. I'm chuffed, absolutely chuffed. Wrap it and let it rest in the freezer until firm and lovely. Ay caramba, I could dance. We're gonna die now. Oh no, the lights are flickering. Did the dangling liability just activate something? If he did, we denied everything.